Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in this particular session, that is every Friday, I would like to discuss open book assessments which were assigned you in the form of MCQ, very short answer type, and even long answer type questions to you from the particular chapters. So, in this particular session, I would like to discuss multiple choice question which was assigned to you people in the form of open book assessment number 1 on 25th July 2020 from the chapter resources. So, question number 1, it is resources that we find in nature and are used without much modification are called. Resources that we find in nature and are used without much modification are called human resource, natural resource, renewable resource. Option D, human made resources. So the correct answer to the question is natural resources. Then question number 2, natural resources are classified into various types on the basis of we have to select the incorrect one. Options are given here, we have to select incorrect. Option A, distribution. Option B, development. Option C, origin. Option D, destruction. So distribution is taken into consideration, development is also taken into consideration, origin is taken into consideration, but destruction is not taken into consideration. Then incorrect option to the question is option D, destruction. Then question number 3, all non-living things are known as biotic resources, exhaustible resources, abiotic resources, human resources. The correct answer to the question is abiotic resources. It is non-living. The things are the creatures which are not having life. Then question number 4, anything that can be used to satisfy human needs is a dash. Anything that can be used to satisfy human needs is a dash. Option A, thing. Option B, value. Option C, value. Option D, utility. So only resources are going to make possible opportunities for human beings to get satisfied. Hence the correct answer is resources. Question number 5, resources can be renewed or reproduced are known as exhaustible resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources, useful resources. So the resources which are going to be renewed or reproduced, replenished are known as renewable resources. Question number 6, dash resources refers to the number and ability of the people. Example, knowledge, skill, etc. Dash resources, that is human resources. Human resources are themselves going to determine in modifying the resources through their knowledge, their skill. Then question number 7, a thing become a resource when its dash has been identified. Character, utility, area, availability. A thing becomes a resource when its dash has been identified. So its utility, character, area, availability. So the correct answer to the question is utility. Utility means balake. Then question number 8, balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development, resource conservation, resource development, sustainable conservation. So the balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for future is called sustainable development. Question number 9, which one of the following is not a value? Aesthetic value, economic value, artistic value, ethical value. Value, bele ಅಥವಾ ಮೌಲ್ಯ. So which one is not value? Aesthetic, economic, artistic, ethical. So here we are discussing the concept in terms of geographical factor. So that's why artistic value is not the value which we need to take into consideration. Then question number 10. Resources are generally classified into 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types. So resources are generally classified into 3 types, namely natural, human and human-made resources. Question number 11. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machinery, vehicles, which are known as human-made resources. Question number 12. Different ways to conserve natural resources are: select the incorrect one. Preventing wastage, save water, deforestation, afforestation. Different ways to conserve natural resource. Here we have to select incorrect option. So preventing the wastage, save the water, deforestation, afforestation. So afforestation, water saving, preventing the wastage are positive, whereas deforestation is negative. That's why deforestation is incorrect option. Value means utility, worth, money, wealth. So here relating to the chapter, so value is taken into consideration in the form of utility. Utility means balake, or it can be taken into consideration in the form of wealth also. Wealth. So either utility or either wealth. Among these, if any one is written, it is correct. So question number 14. So dash resources are found in a region but have not been utilized, might be because of the lack of knowledge. So here the correct option is potential resources. Question number 15. Resources created by human beings are called natural resources, useful resources, industrial resources, man-made resources. So resources created by human beings are called man-made resources or human-made resources. So with this, let me sum up today's session and let me continue in further discussion about these MCQ or open book assessments on every Friday. So until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you one and all.